Hello my friends, today I will cook for you black eyed beans vegetarian salad. This Cypriot dish is very tasty, an ideal dish for vegetarians, very easy to cook and very economic as well. Before we start cooking, I'd like to thank all my subscribers from my previous videos for all their comments and their interest watching my videos. The ingredients you need for this dish are very simple and won't cost you more than £4.50, and you can feed a family of 4 to 5 people. This is a very common dish eaten during fasting time before Easter, but can be served all the year round. For this dish, you can use black eyed beans straight from the can or dry beans you can buy from any supermarket. Now, if you are using canned beans, I suggest you use 2 cans of 250 grams. You put all ingredients in a cooking pot and boil them until soft enough to eat them. Today I'm using dry beans, which they need to pass through of 2 boils, which I will show you in a minute how it's done. All the ingredients we need are 250 grams dry black eyed beans, 1 medium chopped onion, 2 medium carrots cut into rings, 400 of cabbage roughly chopped. Here you can use spinach or any other vegetable you have in the house. We need 1/3 of the glass olive oil, 1/4 of a glass juice of lemon, parsley for garnish, 2 medium fresh tomatoes chopped, salt and pepper. We are ready now to start cooking. We soak the beans overnight. We drain them. Put the bag in the pot. And we add fresh water. We put it on high heat with the lid on for about 45 minutes until the beans are halfly cooked. Okay, we are back in 45 minutes. You can see how dark is the color of the beans now, and you don't want this in your stomach. So what we do now is drain it. We put it back in the pot. And we add hot water from the kettle to cover the beans. We put them back on the heat. We add the carrots and we cover them. and we let them boil for another 10 to 15 minutes for the carrots to soften. After 10 minutes, we add the cabbage or the spinach, whichever you're using. In Cyprus, we use another vegetable similar to spinach. It's called lahana. Today I'm using cabbage myself because I couldn't get no spinach or lahana from the supermarket. We stir it and we cover it until it's cooked, ready to be eaten. It takes about 30 minutes from now to the finish. When it gets to the boil, we lower the heat down and we cover them with the lid slightly on the side until the final cooking, ready to be eaten. This will take about 30 minutes. We check it after 30 minutes. If it's soft enough to be eaten, we serve it. If not, we give it a few more minutes. So back in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we check our beans if they are cooked. They are very soft, ready to be eaten. This dish is served in a deep bowl like that. You just take the amount you want in one bowl. This is enough for one portion. And if you can see, it's a lot more here in the pot for another 4 to 5 persons. So for £4.50 approximately, you can have a feast for the whole family. We add a pinch of salt, pepper, onions, as much as you want, fresh chopped tomatoes, olive oil, plenty of olive oil, and lemon juice or vinegar. And we sprinkle some parsley on top. And this, my friends, is my black eyed beans vegetarian salad. Let's try it. Delicious. For some of you, you want some extra, you take 1 can of tuna, 100 grams, you put it in a small bowl, mash it a bit. You put a handful of onions, parsley, pinch of salt, not too much, and some pepper. you add some olive oil, and some lemon juice. You stir it, and you have that as a side dish with your black-eyed beans. Thank you, my friends, for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe to my channel for support. Thank you until I see you in my next video. I wish you all good health and keep cooking.